How to set multiple starting values in constrOptim. I am trying to estimate few parameters using the constrained maximum likelihood in R and more specifically the constrOptim from the stata package in R. I am programming in Python, and using R via the B2. In my model, I am assuming that the data follow the beta distribution, so I created a simulated dataset by using pre-specified values for the parameters, and now I am trying to estimate these parameters in order to verify that my estimation program works fine. What I have observed is that my estimation is quite sensitive to the initial parameters. For example, I have 11 parameters to estimate. Let's call the parameters as PAM1, PAM11, and their true value is. In the constrOptim I am setting the starting parameters as start_param equals float vector PAM1, PAM2, PAM3, PAM4, PAM5, PAM6, PAM7, PAM8, PAM9, PAM10, PAM11. Where I set the starting values. I have observed that when I am using different sets of starting values the results change. For example, when I am using the set and I obtain the following estimates. But when I am using another set as for example, the results change and it seems that I am losing convergence. My question is the following. I have seen that in stata, there is an option that searches for better starting values for the numerical optimization algorithm. I tried to set multiple starting values by setting a matrix, but this did not work. Is there an option in constrOptim that will allow me to do something like this? Many thanks in advance. For additional information, the specification I use for the constrOptim is
I came across a function in R which does exactly what I was looking for. The package result has the function Gaussian, which is described to perform random initialization and multiple restarts of the solver. It is quite efficient and the documentation provides examples on how to use it. More, this URL.